Hi guys, so I had these bananas, they wanted to go bad, so I put them in the container and froze them. I want to use it to make strawberry banana ice cream. So let me get my blender. Whew.
3, 2, 1!
This my strawberry. I should put in a batch. This is okay. So after the strawberry, next is icing sugar. There is no specific measurement, I'm just eyeballing the measurements. This is the one I had left over. So I'm not sieving this because it's going into a blender and it's going to cut everything. That's why I'm not sieving. Alright, so the essence of adding the icing sugar is to give it bulk, so it's not, when it firms up, you can have this feel. Also to kind of adjust the taste of the strawberries. You know, strawberries can be very tangy. Next on this is condensed milk. This condensed milk is homemade. I made it a while ago. It's been months in my freezer. I hope I make another one. These are 2 large tablespoons, and not level tablespoons. Large tablespoons. If you like, you can add milk to it, liquid milk, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to frozen dessert is where I'm going to click. This down. This is my meal. Apparently, there was no need for liquid milk because you know that the frozen strawberry and the frozen bananas contain water, so it was easy peasy. I think we are okay. I'm going to pour this into this ice cream bowl and freeze it. We're going to freeze this now.